Welcome to VitalCash. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to enhancing your life as you achieve financial prosperity. So let's dive in and discover how to make the most of your wealth on VitalCash. They deceived you, convincing you to pursue materialistic symbols like fast cars, diamond chains, and mansions. But deep down, you know these are just marketing tactics to drain your hard-earned money. If you follow that path, you'll find yourself broke again in no time. However, there are strategic investments that can truly elevate your life from poverty to wealth. We've personally experienced this transformation, and we're here to share the top 15 things to upgrade in your life when you attain financial success. Number 1. Your identity. If there's something about yourself that you're not happy with, fix it. Whether it's a physical attribute like your hair, teeth, or skin, or even a psychological aspect, invest in making yourself the best version of you. Your confidence will skyrocket, impacting every aspect of your life. Number 2. Your physical health. Your newfound wealth should enable you to prioritize your health. Hire a personal trainer who aligns with your goals. Physical fitness will not only make you feel better, but also increase your confidence and attractiveness. Number 3. Your sleeping sanctuary. You spend a third of your life in bed, so invest in a high-quality mattress, luxurious pillows, and premium linens. This will drastically improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Number 4. Nutrition. Change your perspective on food. Your diet impacts your energy and productivity. Invest in high-quality, nourishing foods rather than mindlessly consuming low-quality, high-volume meals. Number 5. Time management. Clear your schedule by outsourcing tasks and saying no to non-essential commitments. A cluttered schedule hinders creativity and your ability to enjoy life. Number 6. Location matters. Your location profoundly affects your life. Invest in living closer to where the action is, reducing commute times, and increasing convenience. Number 7. Embrace convenience. Money allows you to prioritize convenience. Skip long lines and unnecessary hassles. Look into services like fast passes or flying private for a smoother experience. Number 8. Household help. Hire house cleaning services to free up your time and make your life more efficient. Consider setting up autopay for bills and automate financial responsibilities. Number 9. Quality time with family. Share your success with your loved ones. Help relieve their financial burdens so they can enjoy life more. Strong relationships are a key component of wealth. Number 10. Learn from the best. Continue your learning journey by investing in expert teachers and coaches. They'll help you achieve more in less time. Number 11. Live for adventures. Use your wealth to create memorable stories. Travel, try new things, and focus on the journey, not just the destination. Be the person with exciting tales to share. Number 12. Give back. Generosity is a key to abundance. Start giving to causes you care about. Not only will you make a positive impact, but you'll also receive more in return. Number 13. Upgrade your wardrobe. Invest in quality, timeless clothing. Fewer high-quality items will serve you better than a mountain of trendy, disposable fashion. Number 14. Subscriptions. Expand your horizons with subscriptions to various services and communities related to your interests. Being part of passionate groups can lead to valuable connections and experiences. Number 15. Optimize taxes. Investigate strategies for managing your taxes, like offshore investments, property purchases, or even obtaining citizenship in countries that benefit your financial situation. And here's the ultimate bonus. With your wealth, you can buy a new life. You have the power to reinvent yourself, start over, and live multiple lifetimes within one. Life is too short to be stuck in a monotonous routine. So if you suddenly found yourself with more wealth, what would be your top priority? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock your financial potential. We hope these tips will help you transform your life. Don't forget to subscribe to VitalCash for more invaluable financial wisdom. Your path to prosperity starts here.